Okay, so in this question, they say an example of an algebraic expression is which of the following? Now, don't be overwhelmed by the phrase algebraic expression, because here all they're asking you is to identify out of the following which of them are equations and which are expressions. Now, that's just referring to this idea that if you look at, let's say, the first choice, well, what do you really have here? Notice the equal sign here. Well, that's telling us what? Don't just think of it as the left side makes the right side, but think of it as an idea that the expression on the left side of the equation is equivalent to the expression on the right-hand side. So notice the equation, what it does is it relates two expressions. So essentially in most equations, what you'll have is something where it's one expression is equal to, let me write that up here, or greater than or less than or equal to another expression. So the equation relates this idea that, and you can have more than two expressions, the expression is equal to or greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, or like this, right? Less than or equal to or greater than or equal to another expression, right? And in this first case right here, we have an equal sign, but it could have been something like x plus 1 is greater than 2, or x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 4. Anything that relates to expressions is an equation. And that means choice 3 is an equation because it relates to this expression and this one. Notice here the number 4 could be called an expression, although usually it would just be called a term. Choice 4 is an equation, right? X is equal to 2. But choice 2 you can tell is different. Here we just have two terms being multiplied. And that means you have an expression. We lack that relationship between two expressions, so we don't have an equation. All we have is an expression. And the algebraic expression just means an expression with variables in it as well. So that's all we have here. Thanks.